We ended our previous video by writing this number with the help of commas like this. Using comma clearly makes it easier to express the number in words. It's 4,23,49,816. But hold on, why have we used the commas in such a way? We left 3 digits from the right, then 2 again. Well, that's the Indian system of numeration. Commas are used to mark thousands, lakhs and crores. So I add a comma after 3 digits, leave 2 more digits and then mark another comma, and then another comma after 2 more digits. Remember, whenever we are marking commas, we go from right to left. Always. It tells us that the number is 4,23,49,816. That's how the Indian system of numeration works. Leaves 3 digits from the right, then 2 digits, and then 2 digits again. 3, 2, 2, and so on. Thousands, lakhs, and crores. Now I will give you 2 numbers. And using the Indian system of numeration, I want you to mark commas and also write the numbers in words. Here are your numbers. Now let's form a table like this. We have the numbers in the first column, and we have 2 more columns for you to write the numbers using commas and then in words. Let me help you with the first one. Let's just copy the number without the commas in the second column first. First comma 3 digits from the right, then 2 digits and then 2 digits again. This is how the number will look with commas. And this will easily help us to write the number in words. It will be 8,75,63,201. Now using the same concept, I want you to fill these 2 cells of the table. And this is what you should get. So I hope the Indian system of numeration is clear now. Go leftwards, 3, 2 and 2. Thousands, lakhs and crores. Now I want you to imagine this situation. Say you travel to the United States of America and end up talking to a couple of people from there. And you tell them that the population of India is 130 crores. Well, guess what? They will have no idea what you're talking about. It's because they don't follow the Indian system of numeration. They use the international system of numeration. Now the international system is interesting and quite easy to understand. Why do I say it's easy? Here's why. In the international system, this is 1,000, this is 1 million, this is 1 billion, and this is 1 trillion. 3 zeros is 1,000, 6 zeros is million, 9 zeros is billion, and 12 zeros is trillion. Multiples of 3 is a good way to remember the international system. There's no concept of lakhs and crores in the international system. If you look at the last number, notice how the commas are marked. 3, 3, 3. A comma is marked after every 3 digits from the right. Like the Indian system talks in terms of thousands, lakhs and crores, the international system talks in terms of thousands, millions and billions. The best way to understand both systems is by comparing them. I'll give you a few numbers and together we will try writing them in both systems. Here's the first number. It's 1,000. And it's written in the same way in both the systems, Indian as well as international. Both systems start off with thousands. In the Indian system, it's thousands, lakhs and crores. And in the international system, it's thousands, millions and billions. Here's your next number. In the Indian system, we mark 1 comma 3 digits from the right and then 1 more after 2 digits. This one gives us 1 lakh. What about this number in the international system? In this system, it's just 3, 3 and 3 from the right. So we mark 1 comma 3 digits from the right. And then we stop as there are only 3 digits left. We can't really mark a comma here, can we? So 1 lakh in the international system is nothing but 100,000. Now can you write the following numbers in both the systems? Here are the results. The third number is 10 lakhs in the Indian system and 1 million in the international system. What about the fourth number? In the Indian system, it's 1 crore. Can you tell me what's it called in the international system? Yes, 10 million. Can you tell me what these 2 numbers will be called? Yes, 100 crores in the Indian system and 1 billion in the international system. Now try writing these 2 numbers in both the systems, using commas as well as words. And tell us your answers in the comment section below.